Are you tired of working long hours at a dead-end job with little to show for it? Do you dream of earning a six-figure income and living the life of your dreams? Well, what if I told you that there are certain skills that can help you achieve financial success and freedom? In this video, we're going to reveal the top 10 high-income skills that you need to know. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or an aspiring entrepreneur, these skills can help you unlock new opportunities, increase your earning potential, and achieve your financial goals. Skill 1. Digital marketing. Skill number 1 is digital marketing. In today's digital age, businesses are looking for experts who can help them reach their target audience online. Whether it's social media marketing, search engine optimization, or content marketing, digital marketing skills are in high demand. In fact, according to a report by Burning Glass Technologies, digital marketing jobs have grown by 19% annually, with an average salary of over $77,000 per year. To excel in this field, you'll need to have a good understanding of marketing principles, social media platforms, and analytics tools. You'll also need to be creative and analytical, as well as stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Skill 2. Software development. Skill number 2 is software development. In this tech-driven world, software developers are highly sought after. Whether it's developing apps, websites, or software programs, this skill can help you earn a great income. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of software developers is projected to grow 22% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations, with an average salary of over $110,000 per year. To become a software developer, you'll need to have a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript. You'll also need to be familiar with software development methodologies like Agile and Scrum, as well as have good problem-solving and communication skills. Skill 3. Data analysis. Skill number 3 is data analysis. With the rise of big data, businesses are looking for experts who can help them make sense of all the information they collect. Whether it's analyzing customer data or market trends, data analysts are in high demand. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of computer and information research scientists, which includes data analysts, is projected to grow 15% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations, with an average salary of over $126,000 per year. To excel in this field, you'll need to have a good understanding of statistics, data visualization tools, and programming languages like SQL and Python. You'll also need to have good communication skills and be able to tell stories with data. Skill 4. Graphic design. Skill number 4 is graphic design. In today's visual world, businesses need designers who can create stunning graphics and visuals that capture their audience's attention. Whether it's designing logos, brochures, or websites, graphic designers are in high demand. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of graphic designers is projected to grow 3% from 2019 to 2029, with an average salary of over $53,000 per year. To become a successful graphic designer, you'll need to have a good eye for design, be proficient in design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and have a good understanding of color theory and typography. You'll also need to stay up to date with the latest design trends and techniques. Skill 5. Sales. Skill number 5 is sales. Sales skills are essential in any industry as they help businesses generate revenue and grow their customer base. Whether it's selling products or services, having good sales skills can help you earn a great income. According to PayScale, the average salary for a sales representative is over $53,000 per year, with top earners making over $100,000 per year. To become a successful salesperson, you'll need to have good communication skills, be persuasive, and be able to build strong relationships with clients. You'll also need to be able to handle rejection and have a strong work ethic. Skill 6. Copywriting. Skill number 6 is copywriting. Copywriting is the art of creating persuasive and compelling written content that drives sales and conversions. Whether it's writing sales copy, product descriptions, or marketing emails, copywriting skills are in high demand. According to PayScale, the average salary for a copywriter is over $55,000 per year, with top earners making over $100,000 per year. To become a successful copywriter, you'll need to have good writing skills, be able to write in different tones and styles, and have a good understanding of the target audience. You'll also need to be able to work under pressure and meet tight deadlines. Skill 7. Public speaking. Skill number 7 is public speaking. Public speaking skills are essential in any industry as they help you communicate your ideas and persuade others. Whether it's presenting to clients or giving speeches at conferences, public speaking skills can help you stand out and earn a great income. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a public speaker is over $90,000 per year, with top earners making over $150,000 per year. To become a successful public speaker, you'll need to have good communication skills, be able to engage and captivate your audience, and be able to handle unexpected situations. You'll also need to be knowledgeable about your topic and be able to answer questions confidently. Skill 8. Project management. Skill number 8 is project management. Project management skills are essential in any industry, as they help businesses plan, execute, and deliver projects on time and within budget. Whether it's managing a team of developers, overseeing a marketing campaign, or launching a new product, project management skills can help you earn a great income. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a project manager is over $85,000 per year, with top earners making over $120,000 per year. To become a successful project manager, you'll need to have good communication skills, be able to plan and prioritize tasks, and be able to work under pressure. You'll also need to have a good understanding of project management methodologies and tools. Skill 9. Web development. Skill number 9 is web development. Web development skills are in high demand, as businesses of all sizes need websites and web applications to reach their target audience. Whether it's building a website from scratch, designing a user interface, or developing web applications, web development skills can help you earn a great income. According to PayScale, the average salary for a web developer is over $65,000 per year, with top earners making over $120,000 per year. To become a successful web developer, you'll need to have good programming skills, be proficient in web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and have a good understanding of web development frameworks and libraries. You'll also need to be able to work collaboratively with designers and other developers. Skill 10. Accounting. Skill number 10 is accounting. Accounting skills are essential in any industry, as they help businesses manage their finances and make informed decisions. Whether it's managing the books, preparing financial reports, or conducting audits, accounting skills can help you earn a great income. According to PayScale, the average salary for an accountant is over $51,000 per year, with top earners making over $80,000 per year. To become a successful accountant, you'll need to have good math skills, be detail-oriented, and have a good understanding of accounting principles and practices. You'll also need to be proficient in accounting software and be able to analyze financial data. And there you have it, folks. We've covered 10 high-income skills that you need to know to achieve financial success. Whether you're interested in sales, marketing, technology, or finance, there's a skill on this list that can help you earn a great income and live the life you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Start learning these skills today and take your career to the next level. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.